Sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we do such a thing, after which we feel guilty that so many people explained to me, but I did not listen to anyone and did such a thing. This feeling of regret reduces the energy within us so much that we do not have the energy to do the work that is important to move ahead in life. So in such a situation, we have to understand how to get out of this regretful state of mind and move forward in life. First of all, we have to understand that when I did this work, whether knowingly or unknowingly, only after that I understood that doing this kind of work leads to such results. So now I do not have to do such work. Now I understood what happens by doing such work, whether such work should be done or not. So from my point of view, there should be no scope of regret. Wherever you are learning from, there you should learn and think about progressing yourself and making yourself capable. Look at any successful person. The bigger his success, the bigger the mistakes he has made in his past, from which he learned a bigger lesson, and he used the lesson and learning to move himself forward. They did not cry like us, but thought positively about what I have learned from here and how I can use it to move myself forward. So they think like this. Understand, friend, if you want to become successful, you will have to develop the habit of thinking like successful people. This is the shortcut trick to become successful. If you think like a common man, you will remain a common man. The choice is in your hands. For example, if there is a child who learns addition, subtraction, multiplication and division inside the classroom, then does he use whatever he learned inside the classroom only inside the classroom? No. If he goes to a shop and buys something, he uses what he has learned about addition, subtraction, etc. If there is a discussion about calculations about something at home, then he shows his intelligence there as well, which he has learned. So the biggest specialty of knowledge is that any knowledge, any lesson we learn, its effect is not limited at just one place. It is used everywhere as per the situation. It cannot be said which knowledge will be useful when, where and how. This is the specialty of knowledge. If you have got the knowledge, learn from the mistakes, then move ahead. It will be useful somewhere. Always remember that knowledge never goes waste. Okay, if a mistake has been made, then let it go. Who doesn't make mistakes? Everyone makes mistakes. But how many people are there who think of taking lesson from their mistakes and moving themselves forward? Look, there are many people around you who make mistakes and laugh shamelessly. They do not think about improving themselves by learning from their mistakes. But I have gone ahead of millions of such people because I'm learning from every my mistake and I'm improving myself and becoming capable. This is not a small thing. It is a very big thing. I even learn from the mistakes of others and keep improving myself. Keep your thinking like this. Why is this feeling of regret and remorse? The feeling of regret is okay to some extent because it cleans you from inside and makes you a good person. But it also has a limitation. If you remain stuck with the same feeling and remain entangled, then where is the wisdom in this? This is stupidity. Rise above this and move forward. So make mistakes. There is no problem in that. The problem arises when you are not learning from your mistakes and keep repeating the same or similar mistakes. When you are learning from your mistakes and moving yourself forward and becoming capable so that you can support your family, then all the people in your neighborhood and society will also be inspired to see you and become this person. Where he was and where he is reaching now, in which direction he is moving, going in the right direction. Those people will follow you if you think like this and move in this direction. This is my personal experience. So whatever I have said till now has only one meaning, that there is no problem in making mistakes. Keep moving forward by learning from your mistakes. Think this way and move forward in life. Share it with all your friends. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Wish you all the very best.